Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got stuff done behind me. Now I'm up in the rafters again, and it's a hot one today. So it's going to be work. I've got to join 4 ground wires together in that junction box, tie in all the circuits and get them bounded. So it's going to be a long, hard time up on top of the ladder, but I won't make you be up there with me all the time. Climb up, take a look, see how we can do this. Might have to extend this up and make it into an extension ladder again. Although I think I can reach pretty much what I need to reach this way. No, I'd have to go up one more step, and one more step is just not safe. Just not safe. Okay, we gotta set it up to be an extension ladder. Nice thing about a step ladder, it has steps, it doesn't have rungs. This ladder has rungs. Every time I step on something, I'm stepping on a small bar. Well, left something down at the bottom of the ladder. That means I got to climb down again. I need to crimp a wire into this terminal. Unfortunately, this wire stripper has a crimper in it too. There. Now I'm going to have an awful lot of wire in that junction box, but that's okay. Because what I intend to do is tie all these green wires together with a single wire nut, and then have one of them connect straight to the outlet, and one's going to, well, actually the bunch is going to connect straight to the outlet and then run on down the conduit to act as a ground for the rest of the circuits. Now I could see having a lanyard for everything in my tool pouch. Kind of like a lineman, because when I'm working alone out here, dropping something means I have to go get it. And that's kind of a pain in the neck. Especially since if I drop some of these tools, they will break. And then I won't have them anymore. And that'll be very disappointing. Now I have a lanyard on the impact driver, which is a great help. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, now it's solid. I've joined those four together along with a tail so I can connect it to the outlet. Phew! Warm up here. Since I'm down here on the flat level floor, I'm going to connect these wires onto this outlet while I'm down here so I don't have to do it up there. I was struggling with a ground wire. I wanted to connect it to a screw in this junction box. Because this happens to be a metal junction box. But the problem was they made those screws self-tapping. Self-tapping screw doesn't want to start right away. You have to really put some torque into it to get it to go. Then you have to push on it the whole way down to make sure that it makes a good connection. Well, the slot in the screw was too small for a straight bit screwdriver. Had no depth to it. Don't know what they were thinking, but it really messed up the process I was trying to pull. Not how I wanted it to work at all. Putting my glasses on everything is not helping anything either. Nope, it's not going to function. Okay, got that all drawn in there. Tucked down. Everybody's all tied in, tied together. Now, if I can get this to sit down there and start those screws, I'll be in like Flynn. Okay. Outlet's done. At least as far as this part. Still have testing to do. So there's more work. But the outlet is in place. I have the wires up. I should be all done wiring in this section of ceiling. Good thing too, it's 90 degrees today and it's plenty warm up here in the ceiling even though it's cooling off, so it's getting dark. Well, it's been a long time coming, but I got the outlet in, I got all the wires joined, everything's connected the way it should be. I'm reasonably certain all the connections are tight. I've tightened them up as tight as I can get them. And I think I'm all set. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm glad that fan works.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.